Today, I'm going to teach you how to change Google Sheets. Link name. This is particularly useful when you want to make your hyperlinks more descriptive and professional rather than displaying long, cluttered URLs in your spreadsheet. First, you'll need to head over to your browser and type in workspace.google.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you're signing into the correct Google account if you have multiple ones, as this will determine which workspace and files you have access to. After successfully logging in, you'll find yourself on the Workspace dashboard. This is where all your Google Drive files and folders are organized. Take a moment to locate the specific spreadsheet where you want to change the link name. Once you've found it, simply click on it to open the file. The spreadsheet will load in a new window, giving you access to all its contents and editing features. Now that you're inside your spreadsheet, look for the cell that contains the link you want to rename. Click directly on that link. When you do this, you'll notice a small pencil icon appears near the link. This pencil icon is your gateway to editing the link's properties. Go ahead and click on it to proceed with the name change. Once you click the pencil icon, a dialog box will pop up on your screen. You'll see two fields displayed in this box. The first field is where you can input the new name you want for your link. This is the text that will be visible in your spreadsheet cell, making it much more readable and meaningful for anyone viewing your document. Type in whatever name makes the most sense for your link, whether it's a project title, a reference name, or any descriptive label that helps identify what the link leads to. After you've entered your desired link name in the first field, look for the Apply button at the bottom of the dialog box. Click on Apply to save your changes. The dialog box will close, and you'll immediately see your link now displays the new name you've chosen instead of the original URL. This makes your spreadsheet look cleaner and more organized, especially when you're sharing it with colleagues or clients who need to understand what each link represents at a glance. And that's it. You've successfully changed your Google Sheets link name, making your spreadsheet more professional and easier to navigate. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.